Today I will show you guys how to import a map into Godot and set up this beautiful environment and lighting. I found this cool map on Sketchfab. Link will be in the description and comments, so let's download it. Download it in GLTF format since Godot supports it very well. Extract the files into your project. You can see Godot has imported the map. In the world scene, drag it to navigation region. Currently its size is very large and it's offset. I scaled it down to 0.005. Right-click and select Make Local on the node. Now just click on the ground to select the ground mesh and create collusion. Anything else does not have collusion, but we will fix it in a later video. Now again bake the navigation mesh, and we got our enemy working. There is this error. We can fix it by increase the cell size of navigation region and rebake it. Now it's time for lighting. Let's rotate the directional light for better shadows. You can also enable volume fog. Enabling SDFG will give us real-time global illuminations. I also enabled SSIL, SSAO, and SSR for even better environment. I changed the color of fog to a bluish color. Scene was too bright, so I lowered the energy of the light. I also edited the material of ground and set the roughness to 1. And now you have a lovely scene. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this.